Happy Kids TV.
Speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 speckled frogs. Glug, glug! Four little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 speckled frogs. Glug, glug! 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 speckled frogs. Glug, glug! 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there is 1 speckled frog. Glug, glug! One little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no speckled frogs. Glug, glug! To watch more videos, please subscribe. His crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Up Jack got and home to try as fast as he could caper. Went to bed and bound his head with vinegar and brown paper. Went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Up Jack got and home to trot as fast as he could caper. Went to bed and bound his head with vinegar and brown paper. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head, he couldn't get up in the morning. It's snowing, it's blowing, the old man is growing. He ate so much one day for lunch, every part of him showing. To watch more videos, please subscribe.